Good afternoon, peers and tutor. My name is Alexander Ospina from Pereira, and here are my answer to the questions posted in the guide. So the first one goes as following: Why and when did you decide to become a teacher? Well, why? Well, basically because I was back in high school and I saw the teachers like guide their students through specific situations, and that actually gave me like a pretty positive view of what I wanted to become when I grew up. So back then, I used to see these teachers giving examples and giving different sources to their students, and that actually motivated me to become a teacher. I also have to say that my personality also plays a very important impact here. Well, I like to help other people, guide them to their processes, and try to help them solve their own difficulties. So this is also a very important characteristic that I have, and this is another reason why I decided to become a teacher. The second question goes as following: What would you like to develop your role as a teacher after your graduation? If you already are a teacher, would you like to continue in the same school you're now? Well, yes. Right now I'm working as a teacher, and when I graduate, I would like to continue on working in this school. This school is an IB school, and that means it's a global school. So the type of activities and the type of learning that we give it doesn't only concentrate on local activities. It goes beyond. So definitely I would like to continue in this school because I'm pretty sure that I'll be learning more than what I already know, and the English usage that we use here is not just the basic that we are used to. So the activities that we give are more concentrated in developing the language. More than that, it basically is like to use the language in different contexts. So this is why I would like to continue on working in this school. The third question goes as following: What are the most meaningful experiences you have taken from teachers which help you to take the decision of being a teacher? And this is where I want to read a quote written by Ken Robinson that it goes as following: Our task is to educate their whole being so they can face the future. We may not see the future, but they will, and our job is to help them make something of it. So now, connecting with the question, I have to say that he's 100% right, and I totally agree with him. Well, basically, what we want to leave for the future is good decisions, and maybe by helping and teaching our civilizations from now, we can do something about it, and maybe with this we can change probably some part of the future, and their mentalities will be a little bit more developed. So I have to say that what Mr. Ken Robinson is saying, it actually connects with me a lot, because I totally agree with his quote. The fourth question goes as following: What do you think are the risks of being a teacher in a society as the current one? Well, right now I have to say that social media and technology play a very important role here, very important position here. Social media is on the clouds right now, and the some of the teenagers and students at this moment are not using it properly. So it is a very, very difficult situation to control, because we are not 100% during the day with the students, or we are with the children. So in this case, it's very, very difficult to control it, and we have to manage a way to try to avoid children to get into danger. And this is the most difficult thing that probably I believe that teaching nowadays is. So it's a very, very important situation. And the last question goes like this: What are your expectations about the pedagogical experience you are studying now? Well, I would have to say that I like learning a lot. So I'm pretty sure that at the same time that I'm teaching, I'm going to be learning so many things in order for me to transmit to other students. So the amount of experience that I will get, well, I'm going to try to use it as much as possible in a very positive way. So for this case, my expectations are towards the sky, and the amount of learning and everything that will be useful for me, I'm going to try to use it as wisely as possible as well. And last but not least, I want to give these two quotes to this presentation because I think they're very focusing to what we're trying to do and what my ideas are. So the first one goes like this, and it's from Ken Robinson as well. We are all born with the extraordinary powers of imagination, intelligence, feeling, intuition, spirituality, and our physical and sensory awareness. So I would say that we need to teach our students how to use this type of these powers. So I think it's a very good quote for complementing the answers to the question. And the last one is that the beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Whatever we get, nobody will be able to take them away from you. So I believe that by learning and learning more as possible, the more knowledge that you will get, this amount of knowledge that you have, you can use it in different kinds of situations, and nobody will take them away from you. So I leave you with these two quotes, which I think are very essential for our career as teachers. Thank you for listening. Here's and Tutor, and have a great day.